Hello friends, today in this video we are going to learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, lock. I lock the door. I lock the door. Second, cat. This cat is black. This cat is black. 3. House. My house is very beautiful. My house is very beautiful. Fourth, tree. This is a banana tree. This is a banana tree. Fifth, watch. They watch movies. They watch movies. Sixth, teach. He is teaching English. He is teaching English. Seventh, drive. She drives a car. She drives a car. Eighth, song. He sings a song. He sings a song. Ninth, take. We take tea in the morning. We take tea in the morning. Number 10, drink. He drinks water at night. He drinks water at night. 11, learn. I learn my lesson. I learn my lesson. 12, doctor. He is a doctor. He is a doctor. Thanks for watching.